All right, man. I'm about ready. Hey, Poople, how you doing, man? Give me 1 minute. I'm coming in. All right, guys, I think I'm ready. I'm coming in early. I'm not usually late, but it's okay to come early. Sometimes you got to. It's the maneuver. What is going on, guys? I'm excited for today's stream. Today, I will be looking at my games from the tournament yesterday, where I took a third place against very strong competition, mind you. And we will be playing 3-minute chess against y'all. That's Texas talk, meaning you, all you people. Okay? What do I mean by you people? I mean chess players. What we have here is... Okay, let me turn that on. Good. I think everything is good to go, man. My first game was against Toasty Cheez-It, a great supporter of the stream. Oh, important that we note this. I'm going to say this a couple times, guys, but this Saturday, we have a chess workshop for YouTube subs... No, YouTube members, Twitch subs, and Facebook supporters. You would think I would like make that a macro in my brain, and every time I have to go I'll work on that off stream. It's a private chess stream for the supporters of the stream that we look at their games and we learn from them. We get better at chess. A lot of people learned a lot from the workshops. They help a lot. Definitely want to get involved in the workshops. Okay, let me go to review, and of course, that review board is not there, but we're going to bring it up right now. There we go. No, it's this one. It's this one. That should be good for the rest of the stream. Okay. We're good. This is a game against Toasty Cheez-It. Guys, Toasty Cheez-It is exactly the person that can gain from the workshops. If you're rated under 800, I don't have to show you anything. I can just tell you stuff. Words. Just words. And your rating will go up. If you listen. If you don't listen, hey, I can't control it. You can lead the horse to the water, guys, but you can't make it drink. You know what I'm saying? I got the water, guys. I got the water. You got to drink. Game review. We're taking a look at the review. I'm not gonna lie, guys. Something's come up, Kirby. Something's come up in my life, and it is I do a lot of game reviews. I look at my games. Sometimes I have to look at a 1-minute game, like, because I'm like, what was I missing? How did I screw the opening up? If you get in the habit of every time you play a game, you want to learn from it, then you have a much better chance of improving at chess rather than just starting the next game. Because you might make the same mistake and you don't even know it was a mistake. That's how you get better. Chess.com, even though I have an affiliate link with them, I'm in cahoots with them. And every time someone gets a membership on chess.com through my link, chess.com tips me out of their pocket. It doesn't cost you anything more. I think you can type !chess. It might tell you about that. But the review on chess.com, they took away the best thing. Now, I have two very strong players in chat, Poople and AFM Kirby. And in the game review, I'm going to say next, and it's going to play a bunch of moves. Okay, that's the last book move. When I make a bad move, oh, I played 95%. So I'm probably not going to have a bad move. Oh, wait. There was one. I want to go back. Go back this way. Here's what chess.com used to do. Best. Okay, rook e4 is excellent, right? I can explain and it will show me the best move, or I can click best and it will show me the best move. Thank you, chess.com. But there used to be a button said try again. I did not play Stockfish best move. It's not a bad move. There was a button called try again. I click try again, it backs up, and then I look and say, what is a better move? That's how you get better at chess. Even if you say, why did I not find the Stockfish move? Why did I play this move? Well, it improves my bishop, right? It comes with tempo, right? It pushes his queen back. These are all reasons why I played this move, okay? But chess.com doesn't even give you the option to find the best move. I don't understand it. I bet there's most people don't use it because they don't care. So that maybe they took it off because it was in the way of the masses of people who don't want to really learn at chess. They just want to see the best move they made. And hey, I played 89% accuracy. That's the best I've done so far, and that's a good thing. Yeah, no kidding. PNF 1000%. Yeah, no, I slap the accuracy. Here's one reason, and you know this, PNF, I'm sure. It's easy to have high accuracy when you play somebody 1,000. He's actually more like 1,100 points lower than me because he keeps making bad moves, and it gives me very obvious good moves. You know what I'm saying? When you play someone your own rating, the accuracy can be a lot lower. When you play someone higher rated, because they present problems for you. They don't give you easy, accurate moves. You know what I'm saying? Poople says the try again button is there, but only for mistakes or blunders. Okay, well, then we'll see. We'll see, Poople. We'll see, because I feel like it's gone. I'll tell you this, on Lee Chess, learn from your mistakes. I feel like it's a better workflow. It's a better workflow. I almost want to copy this over and just go and learn from my mistakes on Lee Chess. Drew, what's up, dude? Good gaming last night. Drew, how you doing, man? Kirby says, yeah, like our game, we both got 94.2, but that's because it was a position with deep theory and lots of trade-offs in a drawn position. It's quite common in those types of games, too. That's exactly right. Yeah, me and AFM Kirby played like a kind of mainline-ish, and we're going to see that game a little bit later. A mainline-ish, very theoretical game that we both are very familiar with all the opening moves. And in addition to that, we're familiar with the middle game plans. And we're familiar with where grandmasters put their pieces. And we understand why. And so we went very deep with 94.2% accuracy by both of us. Right? It's a 10-minute game, 10 plus 5. That's pretty good accuracy, man. But when the first freaking 15 moves are memorized. I mean, it's good. I did the work. We did the work. Morphe says, cheese day. Let's have a chess match. Says Ag Kapi. DJ Hoffman, it's considered cheating to take more move suggestions from your chat. 1,000,000% it is. But that doesn't mean that I can't stream. Chess.com has addressed it. I am not a grandmaster, but I would have gotten caught a long time ago for cheating. You want to talk about a profile, you know, like they say your phone watches you. Your phone knows when you go to sleep. Your phone knows what time you wake up. Your phone knows when you go to the store, what day of the week you go to the store. Your phone knows everything, right? It has a profile about you. I've played so many hundreds or many thousands of games on chess.com to where they know who I am. And if all of a sudden I start playing an entirely different style, that's one more thing that will add to the great fair play algorithm that will determine if I'm cheating or not. You know what I'm saying? Bill Stevens says, I'm here. Y'all can start the party. Dude, Drew said, yeah, man, last night was a blast. Got so much done. Got so much done. Yeah. D. Hickman, love your streams. Hope to catch you live next stream. Ban me for suggesting my Discord. Your wish is my command. Okay, so, Yaya Ball is the guy getting move suggestions from his chat, so just so you know, in case you come across him. You know what? It doesn't matter. A dear friend of mine was talking about hoping to get to 1,000 points rating. Maybe there will be less cheaters. I told him it's wasted energy worrying about cheaters. It's wasted energy. If you get a cheater sometimes, everyone else gets a cheater sometimes too. Their rating, they might lose a game. They might lose some rating points based on that, right? It's what it is. If you can't handle the fact that you might have to play a cheater, then you should not play online chess. I think it's wasted energy to worry about it. And I think there are ways to avoid it. For instance, when I play you guys today 3-minute, I'm going to do unrated. It's kind of to protect my rating because you guys are way too good. I'd rather play a 1656 in a rapid game than one of you 1,100 players. You guys are going to steal my rating points. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, you can play unrated against people you don't know. You could do, if you see something, say something. Just report them. Eventually, usually it gets cut up. I'll tell you another thing. I haven't seen a cheater on my list in a very long time, like weeks or months. Everyone gets a cheater sometimes. Now let's talk about chess. Exactly, PNF. Jerry! Sup, chat? You're in Advil. That is awesome. Where is Advil? I have a headache. I want to take a couple of Advil myself. Where's Advil? What are you doing in Advil? It's nice to be called a cheater sometimes. It is. I had one guy, he wasn't just calling me a cheater, but he was literally threatening me. He was threatening me. He was trying to get me to resign. Okay, so this game is pretty basic. I have to say this about Toasty Cheesehead. He's rated 582. He's at the beginning of his chess career. And look at his position. He brings a rook. He castled. You need to be aware that I can't play b5. I'm playing it with tempo. Not yet. A lot of times people will play this move right here, a4. Let's see if it's a move. Second best stockfish move. There's a lesson for Toasty Cheez-It. Second best stockfish move. You say, what does it do? It stops b5. It's called prophylaxis. Prophylaxis. You're playing a move to prevent your opponent from making a move that he wants to play. You don't play chess that way all the time or you'll lose. But that's a move here. A4 is a move. I get my space. And then my opponent, okay, and here it's not even on the list. Knight g4 is better. But I'm like, I don't know what to do. I'm going to get rid of this bishop. It's a bishop. And I'll tell you why I did it too. Because his rook now won't be on the open file. I'm like, it's a bishop. I'm going to trade a knight for it. That's good. Well, yeah, but then you develop his rook. That's true. Well, he moved the rook. So I'm like, I'm going for the bishop. He brought the rook back. That's a bad move. Takes. Okay. Just develop. Now, look at this position. This guy's rated 582 chess.com rating points. I am 1,100 points higher than him. And he has developed all his pieces to very reasonable squares. And then he has claimed his fair share of the center and castled. Yasser Sarawan approved. Bam, you got a stamp, Toasty Cheese It. Bill Stevens says, for me, I don't enjoy playing cheaters because I really like playing real chess. The cheaters play ridiculous moves that you'll never see again and you can't prep for. I love playing real people that love chess and respect the game. We all do. We all do, but it's either live unhappily and worried knowing that you might be playing a cheater, or get over it, play the best chess you can, and if you're playing Stockfish, you play Stockfish for one game. It happens sometimes. You're an Advil. Oh, the ads. Oh, I got it. You're working Fort Worth. Working in Fort Worth? Isn't that a little bit north of you? Do you do reviews? I had a really funny 250 ELO match yesterday. DJ Hoffman, thank you for the offer, but no, I don't. We do reviews in the chess workshop tomorrow. No, Saturday. Saturday's chess workshop at 3 p.m. You can use your Twitch Prime to get a free sub, or subscribe on Twitch, become a member on YouTube, or become a supporter on Facebook. It's a private chess stream, and we will look at your game, we'll review it, and we'll talk about it and see how you could do better. If you have a game that you just won and you want to show off, probably... Whoa. Where's my camera on this screen, bro? Where's my camera on this screen? It's supposed to be blocking that because that date is incorrect. There we go. Okay. Yeah, the workshop is this weekend, guys. 8/22, Saturday. Private chess stream. Get involved with the workshop. You definitely want to be involved with the workshop. So here's my point. My opponent at 500 is... if his rating's 582, he's probably playing chess like a 400, honestly. But don't feel bad, Toasty. Just because you develop your pieces in Castle, it probably picked you up 150 rating points. I believe that. I believe it. You just need to do more puzzles, and you just need to play more chess. That's not a bad move. All your pieces are developed. Make left, keep my knight out. That's not a bad move. I bring a rook. Why? Because I'm looking at the queen stir, folks. What's the only piece that doesn't play chess for me is what? My rook. So I bring the rook. Now, this, I think, loses a pawn. Every time you push a pawn, Toasty Cheese It, you need to ask yourself, what am I leaving behind? Well, I'm leaving this square behind, and I'm leaving this square behind. Right? The more you ask that, it will become second nature, and you will see that you're just hanging a pawn. So I took. Is it better? Oh, it wants me to play b4, kick the knight, and then take with the knight. Wow. Wow, that's a way better move. See, I didn't see this. I'm like, I'm winning a pawn. Take the pawn. What's the line? If you see a good move, look for something better. Yeah, Daniel, Saturday. Pian says there is a streamer who got banned on chess.com for fair play, although he wasn't cheating. Eventually, chess.com unbanned him, gave him a year, 6-month subscription as an apology. Yeah, sometimes there are mistakes. Do you do? Oh, yeah, you got that. Okay. So, Toasty Cheese It, you're on your way, brother. See, I could have played b4. And then your queen would have had to move. Queen comes. I just came back. That's the best move. I spent time on this, too. I spent 50 seconds on this move, guys. 50 seconds in a 10-minute game. And I'm like, best move, just come on back. This loses another pawn. As you play more chess, you'll count the attackers and defenders. If I come to this square, it's defended once, twice. But it's attacked 1, 2, 3. You have to count the attackers. As you play chess, I kind of just, I don't count physically. In my brain, when I'm playing chess, if I'm going to push this pawn, I go push, takes, knight takes, bishop takes, queen can't take because the knight's got it covered. I can't push this pawn. They do it real fast. You know what I'm saying? So he lost another pawn. The knight comes now. He's losing a piece. Took with the bishop instead of the knight. Why? I would think take it with the knight is better. Because it hits the bishop. I don't understand why I didn't take with the knight. But this is the best move. I still feel like I would. Now he's threatening a checkmate. Kick that knight. Get it out of there. We got no. Ain't nobody got time for it. And I played this move here, and he resigned because he's down 2 pawns and a piece, I think. Yeah, taking is better. Give the bishop up for the knight for a reason. I'm up a piece, and look at the pawns. Double pawns here, double pawns here. He has 3 pawn islands. I have 2 pawn islands. This is just a losing game. Good game, Toasty. Dude, you just got to keep playing, but you are developing your pieces and castling, and that's more than most people that are rated 500 are doing, so you're doing great. And I mean it, Toasty. Toasty. Okay, I'm going to look at one more game, and then I'm going to open up the 3-minute challenges, folks. And then I'm going to open up the Thank you. I am streaming, and chess.com promotes that. Don't you love that? And all I can do is complain about it. That's a second game? Look at this game right here, folks. This is against our very own AFM Kirby. We're at the game review. We are. Kirby is rated 1883. He's 230 points higher than me. I played 92.4% accuracy. He played 92.4% accuracy. I had 2 great moves. He didn't have any. We played 12 book moves. He had more best moves than me, 13. It says I played like a 2400. He played like a 2300. I beat him in the opening. I get the blue exclam in the opening. We just got a thumbs up on tactics. We just got a thumbs up on. I got a thumbs up on strategy. He got a check, and then end game was check check. So I may have had some type of win here. We'll see. Oh wait. I want to go back and show you guys the squiggler, because this is what happens when you play a normal game of chess. Where there's no like crazy blunders, right? This is exclusive to Charly Sardo Gaming. This is the squiggler cam, and this is Clifford the Big Red Arrow. And if you notice, it's not going up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, because no one's making big mistakes. I had a slight advantage in the opening. I gave it away, and he had a slight advantage. Then we're just completely flat the whole time, and then I had what was probably a winning advantage, and womp womp, it goes down to a draw. So that kind of gives you an idea. This is not a perfect game, but it's not a bad game either. And when you see the bad games, it's when the squiggler goes up and down, up and down. It means I made a blunder. You didn't take my queen. I left my queen hanging. You didn't take my queen. That's kind of like as we're lower rated players, we make more mistakes, right? Okay, I'm not going to start the review. We're going to go to the opening book exploratory feature here at Charly Sardo Gaming, folks. Here, okay, bang, bang, bang. Okay, now. The number 1 move here is C4 because it is an accelerated dragon, and I need to remember that, and I need to study it better. But he plays D6 and doesn't play accelerated dragon, so that's good for me. Actually, that was he was better, I think. Yeah, it's equal, or black is slightly better right here. D6, now white's better again. This is a very common plan. Played this a million times. Taking is not a move, I don't think. And you know what? Stockfish liked it for a second. Now it's like the 4th best move. Because I don't get to do the plan of trading the bishop off here, but now it's just here and it's fine. It's fine. Bishop E6. Dude, I asked, I don't know if Kirby heard me, I don't know if he was listening to the stream, but I said, did you see my gaming as a FIDE master 30 years ago on Internet Chess Club? Because I played a very, very similar line that I learned in a book. I was in traffic, and a train was blocking the street, and I couldn't back out, and the train stopped, and I was there for like 15 minutes. Nothing I could do in Los Angeles. So I shut the car off, I reached in the back, I pulled out a book. It's called an Informant. It's all the games from all the FIDE-rated players, titled players, I think. International Masters, Grandmasters. I don't think there's FM games there, I'm not sure. There's no diagrams. There's no diagrams. There's no words. There's symbols. And then there's just games. just game after game after game, and you can see what all the top players are playing. I opened it up to the Sicilian area. I looked at a Sicilian, and I found this line. I found this line where you take on d4 and then play bishop e6, queen a5. I played against a FIDE master. It was a rapid game, and I made a draw. And I had an international master teacher, and he got mad at me for not playing for the win because I was slightly better in the end game. He said, you gotta try and win if you're winning. I had a better position. I wasn't winning. King b1, it is the second or third bet. It's torn, but second best move here. Do you know, I kept saying I'm going to have to play b3, and the Stockfish move is b3. Even though it weakens everything, I really felt that, Kirby, in the game. I said it on the stream. Now I have to be careful about rook takes, and then queen takes check, and queen takes mate. There's threats. So I bring the knight. Takes. It's still about equal. My bishop sucks because of this. There was a simple game in our line played by Anand and Kasparov, actually. I believe it. You cheated, right? Ward on Nas. I did not. That's a great question, though. Okay, so bishop e2, it's like the 5th best move. It's dropping. Bishop, I don't like bishop d3 because I'm not coming here. Bishop d3, rook c5, rook e1. Oh, counterattack. See, this is the higher level play, guys. I'm like, he's going to get my pawn. I got to defend the pawn. You don't have to defend the pawn. You can counterattack a pawn. Rook e8 and bishop f1, re-protecting. Didn't consider. I never considered it. That's why I didn't play bishop d3. Bishop f1 is on the list. It's like 5th best move. It's dropping. Okay, now I feel pretty good about this. But why can't I? Oh, I can't take the pawn, guys. And I saw it in game, thank God, because he has this move. And black is winning. So I saw the tactic because I had chat off. You got to shut chat off, guys. If you Cold Stone, I'm going to be playing a 3-minute against viewers in just a couple of minutes. All right, after I look at this game, attack the pawn. He pushes. It wants h4. I could see h4 being better than h3. I play this move. C3. It's on the list. 3rd best move. 4th best move. It's there. It's not a bad move. He comes. He plays A5. It's on the list. My bishop just sucks. I guess this is like just a free move for him. No, because I'm threatening to push and then attack the pawn. B5 is the not on the list. It wants you to improve this way. Rook c4, h5, h5 attacking the pawns. F4 is on the list, 2nd best move. Okay. Now I could play bishop d5, and I won the pawn back. Rook d5, bang. Takes. And it's +2. I'm winning here. Toasty Cheese It. I went over our game, Toasty Cheese It. So you can watch the replay, okay? And we can save that for the workshop for a different game. All right? But I already workshopped your game. And I told you. I don't lie about the chess, guys. Dude, b4. I wanted to play b4 so bad. b4. Well, it's his move. Oh, no, this is b4. I want to play g5, but it's not my move. Okay, he brings the rook. I'm still winning. And this is a draw. So let me see. Takes. check. King F6. Oh, I didn't see this. But wait. I guess the king going in front of the pawn is just enough. And I'm winning. Wow. Coldstone, I sent you. Not yet. Not yet. You can't challenge me, my brother. Yeah, 3 minute, man. We're gonna play 3 minute, unrated. But give me a minute. It's not happening right now. You could type all you want in chat. It's not happening right now. You gotta wait till I'm done looking at this game. But we're almost done. There's gonna be a lot of people challenging me, so you can challenge me. And a lot of times, no one sends a challenge. Here's the important thing, Coldstone, and everybody, don't spam. It won't help, and it will not give you a better chance. I look at, there's going to be like 3 challenges, even if I got 5. Yours might be there, it might not. I'm going to click on one. I'm going to play them. Don't challenge me twice, please. If I see the same name, I'll exit out. I want new players every time, okay? And send one challenge when my game is about to end or when it's over. And if you don't get to play me today, you can play me Monday 1 minute. You could play me in the tournament on Wednesday, or you could play me again next week. I'm here all the time. I do this all. This is what I do. This is my job. So, like, I'm here. So, everybody gets to play me. So, I should have just taken the pawns and played the check. But wait, but wait. But what happens if he does come? Bing. Oh, if he comes, I take this. Check. If he comes this way, I get the pawn. King E6. Now he's got to get the king over there. B4. Now we start running. King. Wow. It's saying King F6. It's saying G5. That's fine. A4. The pawns are running, and the king's going to help. And if these 3 pawns get pretty far up here, I can sack my rook for this pawn. I have to be careful he doesn't build a bridge. But that was the winning idea. That was the winning idea, and I didn't see it. But this is why you look at your games, guys. This is why you look at your games. I thought after rook check, I thought after takes, rook check, he just comes here. Not realizing that it's going to cost him a whole nother move to get the king out of the way. And you know where it can go? Either in front of this pawn or in front of the other pawn. Right? Then it's got to get out of the way again. Wow. That's something to consider. Okay, and then now it's just zeros all the way. I'm slightly better. 0, 0. This is a draw. It wants me to check. This is still draws. Get behind. Comes back. And then we made a draw this way. And this is a draw. Kirby, good game. Okay, I'm going to open up the challenges now. Okay, let me see. I gotta go to settings. This is your chance to play me, Coldstone. Whoa. Social. And then I gotta come down here and say stop being antisocial, allow challenges. There we go. Okay, and then I'm going to pin the comment so you guys know how to play me. There we go. And here we go. And here we go. And pin this. Whoa. Is that the right one? Hi, Charlie. Hope you're doing great. Tom! I'll try to play later today once I'm back home. I gotta put my peak elo to the test. You're at your peak elo, Tom? Congratulations, dude. That's got to feel good. That's got to feel real good. Congratulations. Pin that. Rhodes is here. That's funny. Yes, everyone gets a jab at you. Hopefully we can play soon. Erwin, how you doing, man? Yeah, dude. Erwin, I'm looking at your face right now, brother. You look like a beautiful person, and it looks like you're surrounded by somebody that loves you very much. What a beautiful picture. Erwin, I love you. That's one cool thing about the Facebook stream. I can mouse over their profile pic. It makes it bigger. I get to see their face. I wish they had that for everything. What do we have here? I have a friend request from Personalta. There we go. Okay, I don't see any game challenges. Let me go to play online. 3 minute. Mohammed, 3 minute unrated. He challenged me the correct time control and unrated, which I love about you, Mohammed. Thank you. From the great country of Lebanon. Okay. What happens here? Unfair share of the opening, folks. I have an unfair share of the center. And D3 is a good move. It's a good move. But it sets stuff up, guys. I have coffee, but I think he plays knight. I can play check. B4, check. I think I just play check and take the knight, right? That was, you had to play pawn takes. Yeah, now I'm up a piece. Okay, come here. Brings the knight. Brings the Amigo's knight. Just castles. Just castles. Bishop e3, queen c7. This could be a great move with 3 attacks on this square. Although Bishop e3 is like a no-brainer. I think you should play it. Should have played it last move. Good move. Good move. Yeah, good move. Oh my god, I could have took the knight. I should have took the knight. Guys, he's rated 700. And he probably doesn't play a lot of blitz. Pin Ning. Just develop a piece, bro. Just bring rooks. Bring the Amigo's rook. I want to protect this pawn. I don't want it to go away. It's a center pawn. Toasty Jesus said, awesome, Charlie. Thanks. Definitely watch later on. Your pieces had me stonewalled. Dude, your position was better than you think. Your position was better than you think, my friend. I think I need water. My coffee's still warm, so that's good. Bishop could have just taken the knight at 9. Queen a5. Check. Oh, really? I got to took my dark square bishop? Wow. William, I didn't even see it. I just saw the queen check and ran with it. You know what I'm saying? Okay. And then I think we improve the Amigo's knight. Improve the Amigo's knight, they said. I gotta be careful because I'm up on time, but not a lot. Peanut says 3 pawns versus 1. It's simple math. Not necessarily. Not necessarily. I mean, I guess so. But I feel like not necessarily. Because comes, he attacks. Okay, so we'll come to this square. We'll come to the safety square here. Brings the bishop back. Just defend the pawn, I guess, and don't lose on time. Because he still has a passed pawn. That's definitely a move. Okay, so we just want to like put our pieces on reasonable squares, and this looks like it could be a good thing. That bishop could be quite the annoyer, folks. Muhammad, you're playing a great game. I got to be honest with you. You're playing a great game. Oh, just a little pre-move in case... Okay, the bishop comes. That's a good move, dude. I'm going to come... Oh, now my queen can move, though. So I can do this. I can do this. And he loses on time. Guys, he's rated 741. Muhammad, you played a very good game. Thank you, man. All your pieces are developed. Happy Little Blunder gets it. He was first. I saw you, Poople, so if I see you next, I'll grab you next. Just castles. He castles Longster, folks. I need to bring pieces. He can get El Centro. I really want to play D5. I play 6. He's going to do this. I'm moving too slow because I'm playing it. Oh, I think we have to take this. And then push. Okay, and then bring pieces to the fire. We didn't start the fire. Or maybe we'll get rid of the bad bishop. He wants to attack me, guys. Okay, there could be a problem here, so I have to unpin my queen now. This square looks like a square. Okay. And then... the knight is looking at squares. The queen should have come here, but no, it would have got hit. I don't know where the queen should have gone. I'm a little low on time. Okay. . My file. Slowly catching up on time. Okay, he wants to give me a... Oh, he wants to bring the knight. That's fine. I'm going to come here, I guess. They should play rook over. I can come back and do it. I hope. That's a good move. Okay. That wasn't a good move. I had other ideas. Goes. Okay. I think I might win this. He could have took my knight. Here. Got me on time. And you know what? There's no glory in having a winning position when you lose on time, because I spent more time than he did, and he won the game. Good game, Happy Little Blender. Tom's, 21. Tom's, I'm going to get you, but I got to pour water. Boy, I just looked at my stream for the first time. I could have been on Coffee Cam or something. I got to remind me to come back from Coffee Cam, guys. We got to get water. Okay, I lied. Water and coffee. One sec. All right, guys. Thank you, guys. I had to get water, and then I realized I need coffee, too. Tom's 3-minute, 2,124 chess.com rating points right here at Charly Sardo Gaming. Tom's, thank you for the game. He's at a new peak, by the way. This is unrated, so he can just chill and play his game, bro. Interesting. Very interesting move. I think he's supposed to play bishop e7 first. I might just get the bishop. Yeah, this is probably a good move. And I think he's made a mistake. Now, he's 2,100, so he's going to beat me on time, and he'll just beat me with other stuff. C3. Now he's looking. We go ahead and take. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. See, he's doing stuff, guys. He's doing stuff. I kind of want to castle, but I don't want to castle yet. So I'm going to play queen to this square. And give myself options. He went that way. I probably should go that way too. Do you know that? I'm going to play this move first. He plays d5. And then he's going to get the pawn back is what he's saying. But how? That's a square I kind of need to take. I think I have to give the pawn back. That's okay. I'm going to get safe. Give the pawn back. I don't need a free pawn, guys. Right? Comes with kick drum scenario. This is a move. That's the best move for sure. I can hit the knight. I think I should play rook takes rook. No. I think we're okay. Brings the queen. You love to see that move. Takes with a bishop. Probably not an altogether bad move. Okay. We must control or contest, guys. We can't give it to him. Brings the knight, right? I think we play here. I think I take and make a passer, right? Oh, I lose a pawn, so no, don't take and make a passer. Okay, where's he going? He wants to attack stuff. That's a good square. The bishop, I guess. I blundered. It's fine. I think we take the bishop. We make a passer. Well, that's going to hurt. Wow. I think this was... Wow. I don't know if that was the move, guys. Where is he going? I just don't have time to try and draw this. He's up a minute on the clock, guys. A minute on the clock. Now I can't defend that pawn. He could just go pick it up. Yeah. Good game, Tom. Tom just played better, man. Tom just played better. I think I beat him in the opening, though. Let's, I want to look and see. Yeah. Because that's a very theoretical thing for me. That's not my name. Yeah, 77% accuracy by me, 78.9 by him. Nope. He did better in the opening than me. I thought he made a mistake, man. I thought he made a mistake. Let me see. D3 is excellent. What's the grandmaster move here? Stockfish wants C3. It's the #1 move. Like, what's wrong? What? Oh, C4 is the master move. And C3 is a second master move. C4, giving up the square. Wow. Queen F3. Okay, just mess the pawns up. Castle long. Queen F3. Okay, good game. That's not my name. You are up next, my friend. Good game, Tom. Dude, congratulations on your new peak, man. 21-24. Taper Mike just watching, having a good day. Taper Mike, cool. Justice Square, what's up? Justice Square, you got to be here for the workshop Saturday. Guys, did he memorize the lines, guys? He's playing a London. He's using his brain. What did he do? Oh, he didn't move yet. Okay. Oh, I guess I moved. Not sure what to do from here. Maybe shove. That's what we call shenanigans, folks. You can add me as a friend. You can add me as a friend. Guys, that's not my name. B is rated 329 chess.com rating points. He played a London and he castled. Your rating should go up just based on that. All you need is puzzles from here, brother. You got your opening down. You played a good opening. You played a good opening. I hung a pawn, so I think I should defend it. How, though? By counterattacking. And then maybe play c5. I want to bring the knight, though. Where's the knight go? It's not coming here. Guys, he's rated 300. He's doing great. It was all theory. Yeah, I played a 2300 over the board. USCF 2300 in a 4-hour game and beat him with the white side of that. And I've learned a lot more theory since then. The knight comes. Oh my god, I almost dropped my queen, guys. I really got to get my pieces out, man. He's doing great. I could get in trouble here. Yeah, I dropped an exchange. Didn't see it. Knight comes with check, though. Check. Nothing there. Oh, I have this, I guess. I should take the exchange back while I can. It takes time, though, man. I mean, he gets to improve his queen. And then I got to take, he has to take back. Then I have Maybe, oh, he drops his queen because 20. Guys, he's 329. Dude, you're doing great. That's not my name. You are doing great. You never let anyone tell you any different. And then this square. I didn't see the rook, guys. I didn't see it. Right. Check. I did see the pin though. Chasing him off his own rook and mate to follow. Dude, you played a good game, brother. Oh, that was a good game, dude. For 300, I'm not even kidding. We get Kirby next. I saw Poople too, though. I'm going to take Poople first, Kirby, and I'll grab you next, all right? Okay, I got to play like a grandmaster, guys, because these guys are tough. Okay, he just tries to take me out of book. I'm going to play this. Okay. F4. I feel like I come here. I think I do. It's a Nadorf style. Normally that would come to this square, but now one thing is important. Is put the bishop here. So if he ever wants to do this, yeah. See, his king can get in trouble, guys. Do we push? Do we push? Do we develop? Yeah, I probably shouldn't have done that. That was a bad move. Bring the amigos pieces. But the knights can't get there that quick, you know what I'm saying? It's a hole, guys. Holes are bad. Dude, I just caught up on time. That's insane. Do I bother pushing? I could come here. No, I think I push. Push. It locks his bishop out for a little bit. Unpins. Okay. Unpinning is probably smart. Yeah, dude. We probably just like... The knight f5 is going to be brutal, man. I'm going to do this. I'm going to do this and then play, yeah. And then play this. Okay, he comes back and I can't play it. Now I have to defend my knight. Wow. Double up on a pawn, I guess? There's no pin. It improves his queen. I think I'd do this and then play bishop back. Didn't see it. Oh my god, didn't see it. This is really bad. Full rook, resign. Take the rook, I resign, brother. He's looking for the checkmate, though. He should. He's 2,300. Christoph! What are you doing to me, Christoph, over here? Dude, I tried, bro. Yeah, that's not my name. That's okay, dude. You're gonna do fine, man. You're at the beginning of your chess career. Takes... I get to save the rook. I think you could play bishop takes too. Wow. Rook back, I guess? It doesn't do anything. His rook's coming in, guys. Brings the queen, threatening not too much. Oh my god, he's threatening check and then check. Yeah, he had a check here. Oh no, he didn't. He didn't have a check there. Okay. And I have to take and lose. And 30 seconds on time in a totally winning position. Christoph, good game. Kirby, you're up next, brother. Guys, I'm playing... This is my third or fourth game against over 2,000s. Okay, he's looking at my pawnster. I guess I can come to this square. Do I kick him away? He plays the bishop. Wow, I gotta play knight back? Really? I could bring this knight. Attacking, defending, our great world champion. Guys, I'm not talking because I'm freaking getting crushed over here by the 2,000 players. Okay. Okay, he doesn't have any good stuff, so we're just going to kind of improve stuff. Where's he going? Wow, okay. Okay. I think we have to do this to keep the knight out, guys. Right? to move. Where can I go? I guess I can only come here. Okay. Okay. The draw, guys. I don't think I can win this. Let me just check the computer. Zeros all the way down. Good game, dude. Dude, that was a great game, man. That was a lot of fun, dude. Dude, I'm curious the accuracy on that. Probably not good. It felt like nothing was ever out of control, though. Yeah, dude, 90.3% by me. Dude, 90.3% by me and 90.6% by you. And you had two great moves. I had none. There were no brilliance. 24.50 by me and a 22.50 by you. You beat me in the opening. You beat me in the opening. Dude, I did some tactics to win that pawn. That was pretty cool, huh? You saw it coming, though. The art of the Caro can. Dude, that was a great game, man. Thank you, Kirby. Dude, I love playing better players, man. I enjoy playing everybody. Your elo is 1400, says Amit, but play like 2500. I want to play and crush you, sir. Your voice is awesome, but your chess is garbage. Amit, you don't know anything about chess, right? Did you guys hear what you just said? My elo is 1400, but I play like a 2500. I want to play and crush you, sir. Your voice is awesome, but your chess is garbage. What do you guys think we have here? Do we have a strong chess player? Or what do we have? What do we have, guys? Yeah. I feel real good about playing him and see. Well, he's not sending me the challenge. Amit, send me the challenge, man. There's a pinned comment. Challenge Rosewood Telly 3-0 unrated. Amit, tell me your name on chess.com, Mr. 2500. Let's just see. There we go. Just a square. Now we don't know this. I say we don't know this. And what was I baiting you to say, just a square, right? Oh, we got Anandu, guys. Anandu's one of us. But how come he doesn't have a rating? 3-minute unrated. Oh, 523. Anandu, play well, my friend. Anandu has been around, guys. He's from the great country of Qatar. I play Qatar. Please play, Mez. I got you, brother. You're already in. Get to your board. I feel like this is the best move. But I want to do this. I want to do it because I can, folks. Fobolino, how you doing, man? Okay, he checks me. Doesn't do anything. He's chipping at me. I'll take the open file. That's a defender. I could kick it first, I think. I just learned that move earlier today. If he attacks my knight, I take, and he can't take my knight because I take his queen with check. So he has to move his knight, and he's looking for f4, and it's a real square. But after takes. Okay, he does it. Wow, okay. The problem is I'm on the queen. He could make a bat ray. Okay, okay, and then... And now we'll take this square. But we gotta attack though, guys. We must attack. Guys, he's opening up his... He's opening up the king side, the queen side, guys. All these moves were necessary, Anandu, because you should have been horrified that your knight wasn't developed, and you're going to lose. You're going to lose if you don't develop your pieces. So, the reason why you could have just simply avoided that blunder would have been simply by developing. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of like when your mom says, nothing good happens after 10 o'clock at night. It's like, a lot of good stuff happens, Mom. There's a party, there's girls. A lot of good stuff happens. But it's like nothing good happens when you're not developing your pieces and castling. You know what I'm saying? That's the reality of it. It's like you can avoid blunders by developing and castling. There's plenty of time to blunder later. You know what I mean? Plenty of time to blunder later, brother. Okay. Anandu, great game. Anandu, great game. Guys, he's rated 500. You played a good game, and that's an honest game. I play 500 sometimes that are completely not playing like 500s. They're playing like 2500s. So Anandu gets the Honesty Award. He also gets the award that he's actually going to improve his chess because he's playing games and losing, and you go back over that game, Anandu, and see what you could have done better, okay? Yeah. Good game, dude. Good game, man. I like having you around, Anandu. Read the chat. Play with me. I literally typed in chat, challenge Rosewood Telly 3-0 unrated to play. Why do you think begging me in chat to play was going to make a difference? I already told you how to play me. I have no challenges right now. You might have been spammed. Were you spamming? If you spam challenges, it won't let you do more. Eric Haddon, what's up, my brother? Guys, my brother is in chat. His name's Eric Haddon. Different mother, brother from another mother. Dude, how you doing, man? How's that puppy? So add me as a friend. Wait, is this you, Fobolino? Let me check. Dynamic21, and that's not my name. We are now friends on chess.com. That means we take care of each other. We help each other get better at chess. Guys, send me challenges. I'll be right back, and I'll see how Eric's doing. Eric, I love you, brother. It's good to see you, man. What openings do you play? Well, you're watching them. What'd you see me play? I play trash openings. I play Latvian Gambit sometimes. You haven't seen a lot of that today, though, because I'm playing 2300s. And so I play a Sicilian against that. Against E4, I'll play a Sicilian. I play a King's Indian. You saw that against the London, right? Which is what I should have played. Oh, dynamic, rated 2084. Still waiting for my Eric. Eric says, he's good, losing rating points from this concussion. You have a concussion, brother? How did you hit your head? You were working. How'd you hit your head, brother? He knows the line, guys, better than me. I didn't know what to do here. That's one of his traps. That's the best move, right? Has to be. Has to be the best move. Wow. I can't believe E6 isn't the move. I cannot believe E6 is not the move. And I had queen takes knight check. And didn't see it. Oh, my life. My life! I had a piece, guys. Didn't take it. With check. No less. Trading the queens. It's okay. I saw it now. I'm up on time. I'm going to get developed. I have moves. I have threats. Oh, no! Okay, and then... Do I just, like, butcher his pawn structure? No, we develop, guys. I think here. Brings the knight. Okay, threatening this square. So we'll come here. Did I lose material there? I guess I didn't lose a material. I thought I was winning something there. Well, I won some stuff. Not gonna lie. I won some stuff. Yeah, this could be a problem. I think we take. Right, and then shut it down. King, bring rooks. Maybe king here. It's a great move. I could have played king e7, I guess. I could have played king e7. I should have played king e7. Didn't see this. Wow. Okay. Am I getting mated? I feel like I'm getting mated. Is he better in the endgame or something? Attacks. Just hit the bishop. I think he's not playing this correctly, guys. Definitely take that way. Right. And then... here, maybe? Trading off his weak pawn, but... okay, right. Okay, do I play king up? I think we push the pawn, right? 1000%. Okay. Do we push? Does he have a move? He has a square, but I think it probably loses. I think this is too much, guys. Okay. I could probably sack right here and win. Do you know that? Okay. Oh no! I dropped my winning advantage, guys. I dropped my winning advantage. And he got me on time. Dynamic. Great game, dude. Guys, I need 1 second. That was freaking hilarious. What a good game. Thank you for the game. Gotta work on that time, man. I have an Ode the Board tournament tomorrow, so it's good. I did not get a winning advantage there to review my lines. Oh, that was you, Foblino. Cool. Actually, 11 fish is one of the most dangerous openings against the dragon. I did not study it too much, though. King F1 was a move. How you're playing it right. King F1 was a move, or King F8 was a move, right? Someone made a brilliant move. I think it was you. It was you. Let's see what it was. Oh, no, it was me. It was me. Yeah, this was me. And so, I didn't win a piece for it. You know what I kind of considered maybe doing, since you don't have the bishop pair? I considered just... Because look at the pawns, right? Sometimes, it's kind of cool to mess up all... It's the best move. It's the best move. I considered it, but I'm like, don't give him the bishop pair. But I still have one bishop, right? So this is good, and then bishop here. That's good. Offer the trade, then I can bring the knight out, and we're playing chess. Wow, dude. Because the open file and stuff, right? I looked at it. I looked at bishop c3, and I'm like, don't give it to him, man. Hit by a golf ball on Sunday? Was it at close range, Eric? Was it like a line drive golf ball into your noggin? Or was it like a long shot and it gave you a concussion? I would think a golf ball would slow down on a, what do they call it? A driving range? But I could see like a line drive, like being like a bullet almost. Daniel Abbott says, bro, I just got 3 scratchers. This is not gambling advice, folks. Don't gamble. And they all doubled my money. What are those odds? I'm out of luck now. Hey, man. Take the win and quit playing scratchers. Take the win and quit playing scratchers. Yeah, I saw it. I just didn't want to give the bishop pair up. What is it even like after this? Like, bishop d7's third best move. It's still good. You see, it wants stockfish moves. h5. It wants stockfish moves. f6. This is a good move. Anandu, 1 game per player, brother. You've been around long enough. You gotta know. You gotta know. If I open it up to rematches, then we'll do that. Yeah, no, I saw it. I saw it. I chose against it. That's why I look at my games. That's why I look at my games. Because I wanted to play bishop. I saw it instantly. I saw this, and this. I saw this position, but I thought, you're giving up the bishop pair. I am, but I didn't consider this move right after, which I think is like, yeah, a4. I'm just ripping that. Yeah, I'm ripping that. Takes, that's fine. And it just wants me to play f6. I can't believe knight, When it wants f6 and king f7 is what it is. The problem is, oh yeah, you can't come in though. King f7. Okay, now my knight doesn't have a lot of squares, but I can push. c4. Wow, look at this. Just play chess with one rook. c5 lets him pin if I take the pawn. So we can't allow it. c6. c6, really? Takes, and b6 with a threat. Rook a6. Bishop c7, controlling the file, man. And we got to shove. That's all I got. I need space. I need space to live. I can't even come this way. Yeah, this is... The knight is covering the infiltration square, though. Black is very, very slightly better. No, I saw it. I saw it, and I chose against it. And it was a wrong decision. Like, let's see, besides bishop c3, what did I play? I played bishop f5. That's no good. It attacked a pawn, right? I'm developing with tempo. That's what I thought. But you just play rook a d1, and now you're coming in. So I have to come back. Yeah, now I was just doing stockfish stuff. But I saw it, and this is why you go over your games, because I saw this line, guys. I saw this, and I thought giving up the bishop pair was too much on this open board. But I guess it's because all the weak pawns, and the fact that these are weak on a semi-open file, too. I have, like, very few weaknesses, and he has a lot of weaknesses. That is one of the best examples of reviewing your game, because I consider that move, and in my brain, it was not a good move. And if Stockfish is saying it is, it's okay. Eric says he teed off and shot past his hole onto my tee box. Wow. Daniel Abbott says golf was great. I've never been hit, but it's no joke. Dude, I know a couple people that got hit by playing softball. Varun says, don't you stream chess every day? Yesterday, I was about to raid you, and you were playing some other game. I stream chess every day. Varun Mohale, thank you for offering to raid. I stream games at night. The chess streams start at 3 p.m. Central Standard Time, Texas time. This chess stream started an hour and a half ago. And that's the same Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, same time, 3 p.m. Central Standard Time, Texas time. Then at 8 o'clock, I play games. I play normally Elden Ring, but sometimes other games too. Yeah, and that's my schedule. That's what I do. Early after King F8. Let me see. That's a mistake. I'm supposed to come back and play E6 and give you E6. You played this before? Eric Rosen did this against me. I played against Eric's London. I played him live, and it's a pawn sacrifice. Well, not really. Actually, it's not, because he's getting a piece here, and I can't even check. Yeah, so this is, well, what do you play here? Oh, you let him take. You gotta move. Takes, and then what? Just bishop e2 and rook f8. Wow, I get the castle. We got a challenge, guys, from Faultier. Faultier is his name, guys. Faultier Mitwafe. With he's from the great country of Germany. Germania, if you will. E4, E5, bishop c4, knight f6. We play d4. Instead of the e5, knight g6 is the best practical go. Knight c6. Yeah, so Varun, thank you so much for offering. Thank you so much for offering, but I do games at night. Right? Now, I can check and check. Or I can threaten mate. And the knight. And I think that's the move. Bishop check, again, king f1. Just like king f8 earlier. Bishop check, king f1, and he has two pieces hanging, and I'm threatening mate. Yeah, bishop c... 94, bishop c5 isn't the maneuver. Faultier, you are just... Yeah, I'm not winning yet. I'm not winning yet, but understand. that I have a better position. And it's because I played this line a million times. I memorized stuff. Don't know how to play chess properly, says Nut Ondu. Okay. I'm up a piece, so you give this. Just run. I could come back, maybe. No, F5 doesn't work. Just castles. You give the pawn, guys. Give the pawn. Give the Amigos pawn. You don't want the pawn anymore. Oh, I didn't know that. It was 200 plus viewers. Raid. Varun, really? I wanted to raid you, and yesterday our timings matched for the first time. Then I raided someone else. Varun, I'm so sorry. I would try and do a raid around that. What time do you usually finish? I mean, thank you so much for even considering me. This might not have been the move, but it felt good, but it might not be, but it is, but it's what I played. I don't think I've ever had a 200-person raid, Varun. Thank you so much for considering me for a raid. Brings the knight. Okay, now... I think I'm going to attack stuff. Probably get myself in trouble. Brings the bishop. Totally didn't see it. Just take. And we might have to win on time, folks. Okay. Did I win a piece? I did win a piece. I think he had a way to not let me win a piece right there, guys. I think he did. So I'm very fortunate that... Okay. Maybe attack stuff? Maybe... I don't know what to do. When you don't know what to do in a blitz game, find something that's not that bad and do it. In my humble. But my rating is bad. Okay, wow, I got the rook. I got the rook to the game, folks. This is crazy what's happening here. Your name is spelled like Anandu. After leaving chess for years, I suck now. Well, dude, you're working on your chess game, right? There's tactics here, but I think I'm okay. He could split these. Okay, he hits the bishop first. So we're going to block the file he's controlling. Kicks my knight. Probably not an altogether bad move. Bad move. Very good, class. Very good. I asked for it. Yeah, gave it to me. He's down a piece and a pawn or something. This is definitely where my knight goes. Blockading, attacking, attacking. That's a good spot for the knight. Okay, I can just take this. Guys, he's rated 300. Faultier, good game. You played a good game for a 300, brother. Let me see if you did anything bad in the opening. Yeah, you took the wrong pawn, but you don't know because you haven't studied this. Let me show you. This book. What year was it published, folks? Where's the publishing page? Right here. Copyright 1973. I bought this book for $5 like 35 years ago and learned this from that book. and that's the wrong pawn. It's not losing, but you got to play. You got to play correct. You get in trouble. And as a matter of fact, I'm not even sure I did it right. Let me see. Let me look at the. I could have just done the thing, but see, now I want to see if I did it right. 96% accuracy by me. I did it right. Don't have to look at it. Yeah, because I've studied it, man. Dude, though, it's okay. You're at the beginning of your chess career at 300. You keep playing. Learn, you just keep learning, and you're going to do great. You're going to do great. Bro, my name isn't happy. You're calling me different. Not Anandu. I'm sorry, brother. I read, I say. If you're going to be, what's the word? High maintenance? Then maybe go, somewhere where people don't hurt your feelings, okay? I got a lot of things to read. I'm being as polite as I can. I mean, you should see what I did to Faultier Wafe 03's name, okay? Fair enough. I got lost really fast. Yeah, that's almost a trap. That's almost a trap. Taking here is so bad. Like, for instance, watch. Let's look at this. Black is better right here. It's minus 0.3. Okay? It's like you're better up a third of a pawn. I'm playing a gambit. I'm gambiting a pawn. And this is the best move. Okay? But when you take this pawn, it's plus 0.85. It's like you just lost a pawn. And the reason is, your knight's unprotected, it can't run back, and I'm threatening to attack your knight and checkmate at the same time. Now, there's moves here. There's moves here. It's not losing. But it's tricky. This is part of the Ursov Gambit. It's not why I played it. I mean, believe me, I'm always happy when somebody takes what I call the wrong pawn, right? Because there's two pawns. There's two pawns. And taking this pawn is a whole pawn better than taking this pawn. So it is the wrong pawn, but I don't play this opening for this trap, but this is a trap that is in the opening. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you're doing great, dude. You're doing great, man. You got in a little bit of trouble there. Yeah, bishop at queen h4 is a move. Because on takes, this isn't mate. And now you're threatening rook over. And this. You're also threatening bishop f2 check. You're all over this square. I got to play g3. And your best move is to play queen back, queen back. Takes. King takes. Developing. I have a feeling your bishop's going to end up over here somewhere on the light squares. And we're playing chess. Rook f8 hits my knight. Blocks. We're just playing chess. We're just playing chess. But, okay, Lupia won. I can't play you 10 minutes. There's not enough time in the day. There's not enough time in the day. Yeah. Oh, I didn't know that. Okay, yeah. I got that. Varun, thank you so much for trying, my friend. It means a lot to me. It really does. I kind of feel Varun Mahali tried to raid me last night with 200 people, but they were playing chess. You guys are why are you guys challenging me 10 minutes? There's a pinned comment, folks. The pinned comment is real. You have to challenge me 3-minute unrated. 3-minute unrated, guys. It's not hard. Get with it. Challenge me the proper time control unrated, and I will completely, 1,000,000% play you. I totally want to play you guys. I want to thank Jay Williams for the likes, Steve Hamilton, Sage Ertman, Warren Rhodes, Robert Pritchard, Daniel Abbott, Will Anthony, Drew Nowak, and Mex Boston. Thank you guys for all the likes. It really helps the stream. Dude, we need to get the likes up on YouTube. If you're watching on YouTube and you like me, or you like chess, or you don't mind being here, hit the thumbs up. Headed out to try to get a new car. Not that I can afford it, but yeah, dude, I'll tell you something. Bill Stevens. Guys, I have zero debt. I have zero debt. But I don't have a mortgage. I'm not buying a house. So that's nothing to brag about, right? But I have zero debt. My car is paid off. I have no credit card debt. I have no debt. I have zero debt. It feels great. Imagine going into debt. How that would feel, right? I would go into debt for two things right now. You know what they are? A car. If I needed a car, I would go into debt. You have to go into debt when you buy a car. Usually. The other thing is buying tools. Right? Family Guy 1, 2, 3, 3-minute challenge. It doesn't say unrated Family Guy. Send an unrated Family Guy. Unrated. So let's say someone offered me a job doing this particular thing. And I could make a lot of good money doing it. But I don't have the right tools. I'm going to get a credit card. Amy, unrated. Amy, I got you, Amy. Amy showed up yesterday and followed on Twitch. Amy, are you here? Was it Twitch or was it YouTube? 1,600? Is that the same Amy? Amy, play well, my friend. Yeah, so going into debt for tools, because it's going to make you money that you can't make if you don't buy the tools. The car, you can't make money if you can't get there. F5. Literally feels like push. And then Queenie 2 or something. No, he takes with the knight. She takes with the knight. Just castle. Then do I maybe push? I feel like I do. I have no idea what's happening here, by the way, guys. That's probably not a bad move. That's a square. He just plays knight. Rook, I guess? Rob Mitchell! No, Tandu, sometimes I look at a game, sometimes I don't. Varun said, for me, I only go in debt when I buy a house or a car. Source of income. Yes, 1,000%. And like I said, tools. Same exact mentality that you had. And that is, buying a house is an investment. If you can be in a position to buy a house, then you 1,000,000% buy a house. Buy the stinking house. It's the best investment you can make, right? As a rule. The great thing about buying a house is, unless you like really, really, really step in it, like you buy something horrible, even people that are beginners, houses go up. Okay, Warren Buffett or some famous real estate broker might buy a house that they're going to make more money on than I do, right? But if I kind of look at it and say, like, it's the house I want, it looks like it's in a reasonable neighborhood, it's going to go up. Houses go up. Trades queens. Opens up the bishop. Am I losing on time? No, I'm okay on time. We're talking about real estate investment here, folks. This is not financial advice. That's probably a good move, because it threatens to win stuff. And the trade comes with some kick drum scenarii. Might not be enough, actually. Just bring the Amigos Rook. Amy, you're a beast. Good game. Old Jedi Gamer says, I got my Audible gift. Thanks. What does that mean? Old Jedi Gamer, what does it mean? Was that a mistype or something? Yeah, buying a house gives you a sense of relief. However, I like buying a house because it helps me in risk-taking ability. Buying a house does give you a sense of relief, but, you know, it's not that much relief, right? Because you still got to pay for it. Oh, sending subs got you a gift? Old Jedi Gamer, dude, thank you, man. You didn't just... 2-month membership to Audible. Really? Dude, and you didn't even know that was coming? Did you not even know that was coming, brother? What's going on in my Twitch chat window? It's frozen. This window's fine. Let me wait, and then I'm gonna reload it. We're gonna reload that sucker. Dude, that's good news, man. Guys, Old Jedi Gamer is a great supporter of a stream, and one thing I know about him, he comes on Twitch and he donates subs. Amy, good game, Amy. Yeah, it was you. Okay, good. I figured it was. And so Old Jedi Gamer, by gifting subs, he got a 2-month subscription to Audible that I bet you weren't expecting, were you? I wish I knew about that, but it's like, what am I supposed to do? Become like a Audible guy? Guys, I'll tell you something. If you have to drive, we're just talking a little bit life stuff, right? About, I don't mind going into debt buying tools or a car or a house. But, guys, you don't go into debt for a computer, man. You save up and buy the computer. You don't go into debt for Chili's or freaking clothes. Unless you need them for work. You get a new job. You have to dress nice. You got a job at a bank. You don't have any button-down shirts. Tools. Got to go into debt. Do it. Pay it off fast. But someone just... What the... There was a point. Either way. Okay, either way, we're good. Someone sent me a 3-minute, guys. 3-minute unrated. I got a friend request. Anares33, we are now friends on chess.com. That means we take care of each other. We help each other get better at chess. With the best computer with the best community in the world, the Chillers. PNF plays Rapid at a much higher level than he does Blitz. Taper Mike, I use my credit card for everything then I use points for my wife to pay for China for free. That's what I do too. I use my credit card for everything. Is it this one or this one? I feel like it's this one, but it's not that one. I'm gonna go with this one. Yeah, pay it off every month. That's what I do. I pay off full balance every month. And I got points. My girlfriend's birthday's coming up. I told her I'm getting a hotel room. We're going to go away for a couple of nights and go have some fun. Yeah, that's a move. And now I think I can come back here, though. Because he's not on the pawn anymore. Guys, this is Latvian and Gambit stuff. This is a line I used to play. You guys almost never see me play this line. Now I'm attacking this, and he has to go away. And then we're going to start developing. C6, D5 might be ideas. No. Castle. Just castle. If he does this, he opens a file. That's fine. I just move the queen. Yeah, he does. I can't do that, so we're gonna go ahead and take. Takes with the bishop, and then There's no threats. So we're going to come here. And develop our pieces. Oh, he has knight f5. I didn't see it. Knight f5. I didn't see it. Oh, I lose my queen! No. Oh, my God. I thought I lost my queen. Wait. I thought I lost my queen, guys. You scared the hell out of me, brother. Why you gotta scare me like that? Oh, man. So he wins stuff anyway. Okay, PNF, I think you got me here, brother. Yeah, gotta take. Takes check first. Okay, that's a good move. Okay, and then... Do I have a pawn for it, guys? Oh, wow. Didn't even see that was offering the trade. That was really bad. Yeah, it's a good move. It's a good move. Okay. What's the move? Bring the king, I guess? Oh, he's threatening my pawn. He has this now. I can take it with check. Okay. Yeah, I had this move before. I had the move before and didn't play it, guys. I screwed up. I might have been able to get a pawn. Or activity. Got him on time. PNF, you played good, dude. PNF was winning. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I was talking. We were talking about the points and stuff, I think. Yeah. Paying the credit card off every month. Bill Stevens says, this car is for my 16-year-old daughter. Mama Bear wants her to have a safe ride, which is necessary. Manunu, if you know, I know. Absolutely. Yeah, it's important that your kids don't have a car that's going to break down. If you live in a small town and they drive close, let the car break down. They'll walk home. They'll just be walking and the mailman will pick them up and drive them home. You know what I'm saying? D. Doucette, 3-minute. It's not unrated. It's not unrated. You got to send unrated, guys. It's not hard. 1 second. Resend it, Doucette. 1 second. Amy, forgive me. I'm not going to give you a rematch because I'm trying to play new people that haven't played today. You didn't play that bad either. Well, I fought it out, man. Being down the piece, you know. I could have just resigned. If that would have been an over-the-board game against someone my same rating, which I think Rapid, we are the same rating. Are you higher than me in Rapid? Let me see what your Rapid is. PNF. I think your Rapid's higher than me, right? You're about the same. You're a little bit higher than me. If we were playing like a 4-hour classical game and I lost that piece, I probably would have played it on a couple more moves. But here's the thing. Back here, once you had the piece, like, you would have made some better moves. I think you would have made some better moves, but it's like, yeah, I mean, you got the pawn now. Now I'm just down a full knight. You were fine. You weren't losing at all. And in this position, I should have played this. Oh no, you have this. Threatening checkmate. I didn't even see it. After I didn't play this move, I was mad at myself that I didn't play it. And it would have been a blunder. Yeah, I had to keep the pieces on, man. It's a blitz game. It's cheesy. That's a dirty flag, man. You're supposed to win that game, but when you won the piece, time was even. Yeah. So you just don't play. Your blitz isn't as good as your rapid, right? It was a good game though, man. I played some good times yesterday. You beat a 2300 in Frio. Did you, Amy? Nice. How far away is 2000 ELO from 1500 in terms of matches in a row one? Flattest uncle, that's hard to say. I mean, I don't know. How many points do you normally get for a win on chess.com? Is it 8 points or 12, 10 points or something? You play someone about your same rating? So it would be, you know, I don't know, 50 or something? I have no idea, though. I also in the same tournament lost 3 games under 1,000 rated. Oh, Amy. That still feels good to beat a 2,300, though, huh? Daniel Abbott says, I'm scared to take my car over there during the meetup. It's pretty beat up, but beautiful. Pretty beat up, but beautiful. Oh, but yeah, but if it's a long drive, it's better to figure something else out, right? You can't be getting into trouble. My truck has been really, really good, but I have to be honest about it. It's getting older. And if Courtney and I have to take a long drive, if she's willing, which she usually is, because she has like a newer car that's in much better shape than mine, and it's in a more enjoyable ride, you know. I have a F-150 truck, so it's kind of, I like the way you sit up kind of high. I really like driving a truck. Driving a truck's cool. Plus, I have a truck. You know, in life, you can be the guy that has a truck, or you can be the guy that needs the guy that has the truck. Now, if you're just independently wealthy, you don't need a truck. You go online, you pick out the washer and dryer, and they deliver it to your house, right? Yeah. Not this guy. You know, I'm like looking on Facebook Marketplace to buy a new washer for $20, and then I got to go pick it up, and I got to drive it home. You know what I'm saying? So having a truck, I've been in business for myself off and on my whole life, and I'm who knows, guys? I might start another business, and having a truck is crucial. It's crucial. The tournament was 1.5 hours. You came in second, dude. That's very good, Amy. That's very good. Yeah, so flattest uncle, that's assuming you win every game. But I mean, like, that's a really interesting question, because the question, flattest uncle, a question, I mean, that might just be a random question that you have, right? But every time you lose a game, that erases one of the games that you won. So rather than thinking about that, what you could think about is, how do I get better at chess? And then your rating will just go up. You don't have to worry about rating. You have to work. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's the move. You're in Quebec. Cool, Amy. Cool. Daniel Abbott said, that's awesome. Me too. Well, it was my dad's. I feel kind of tripped out parking it. I don't like to drive it. That's cool, man. You got your dad's car, dude. I bet it's cool. Guys, I'm going to run. I want you guys to hit the like button on the way out if you're watching on Facebook. If you're watching on Twitch, please hit that follow button. And you guys know how to hit the like button and the sub button on YouTube. I'll be back at 8 p.m. for a After Dark gaming stream. You feel stuck. If you feel stuck, it's because you're not working hard enough. Some kid got mad at the chess club one time, and he was so mad when he lost a game. And I said, John, how many hours did you spend studying chess this week? Because I probably had spent about 8. And he says, oh, none. I said, well, then why are you mad that you lost? Like, you're not... You think you're just supposed to be good at chess? Or you think you're just supposed to get better by playing? At the beginning, you need to play chess, and you need to play. And you will get better by playing. But at some point, you gotta work. You gotta work. Freaking love you guys. Thanks for being here. I will catch you guys. I'll see you guys in about 3 hours for an After Dark gaming stream. And thanks for being here, man. Freaking love you guys.